Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. So now I'm in a resort in Maldives, so no video is possible. Video will be up only on Monday. Coming back to the markets, US markets every day hitting all-time high. Sometime in February, US market hit all-time high. After the Trump tariff war, it came down. Now is 4 to 5% higher than the last time high. Indian markets hit all-time high sometime late September last year, and from there we are still 4 to 5% lower. And despite Bank Nifty nearly 7-8% higher, but other sectors. So I've been talking that first thing is that banking sector, the results so far has been bad. Axis Bank was bad, HDFC Bank also. So it was only ICICI Bank that came out with the good results. And the first set of results came from IT stocks and TCS result, and the market fell. I think IT index is still continue to fall. With yesterday's fall of nearly 2% in IT stocks, now IT index is officially in bear market. From last September high till now, the IT index has fallen more than 20%. So that is the first major index to enter into bear market. So IT index was very, very bad. The banks are struggling, and the banks, RBI policy came about 2 months before, and that time, Bank Nifty was around 57,000, and for the last 2 months, Bank Nifty is just struggling around 57,000. So it's neither going up nor going down. One day it goes up, next day it comes down, and those people who have taken 57,000 short straddle, they have been making very good profit. So at least Bank Nifty is not falling, but look at the IT index, they keep on falling. And yesterday, Nestle results came. I think Nestle has fallen more than 5%. So now people are having bearish view on FMCG sector also. ITC and Hindustan Unilever are the two major index heavyweights in FMCG sector. So they may be coming results maybe next week. I have to check. So now people are becoming bearish. On the other hand, since the low inflation, 6-year low inflation last Monday, automobile stocks are doing well. And now if any result come, Mahindra & Mahindra or Tata Motors, if that result is also bad, then we can say, about 80% of the index heavyweights give bad results. So today is very, very important trading day. Month to date, FIIs have sold for more than 25,000 crore. So that's about 3 billion. So $3 billion worth of shares, FIIs are selling. That too, they started selling in the month of October 2024, even after 10 months. So they have not stopped selling. And of course, domestic institutions keep on buying. So because of that, the markets are holding. But today, very important day, the reason being, I told you, as per some technical analysis, if Nifty closes below 24,970, the market will become bearish, at least for the short term to medium term. Last time, Nifty broke 24,970 on intraday basis, but it did not close below that. Only one day it closed around 24,968, and these are all approximate numbers only. Just 1-2 point, it doesn't make big difference. But the next day, it went below 24,970, significantly below 24,970, and then but closed above that. But today, the GIFT Nifty indicating about 70-80 point gap down. So which means that Nifty is likely to open below 24,970. But whether Nifty is going to close below 24,970 or above 24,970, we do not know. So anyway, on intraday basis, the recent low, it was 24,900. I think about 10-12 points below 24,900. And closing basis 24,970. So these two are very, very important. So the banks are, if you look at the corporate results, banks, Axis Bank came out with bad results. So, but at least they are, not really very bad. At least they are just managing to trade neutral. But whereas IT performance has been very, very disappointing, and now FMCG. In fact, if you can remember, the disappointment actually started in the market with last year, October, Nestle results. The Nestle chairman said, middle class pie is shrinking in India. So that is when, the serious selling started, and that selling is still continuing. So maybe after 1 or 2 quarters, if Nestle come out with good results, so that is the time we can say the worst is over. Meanwhile, technically, the markets are becoming bearish. That's a very bad thing, but we do not know at this point of time. But domestic institutions will not give up so easily. But yesterday also, FIAs have sold heavily, but although DAs have bought equally. So things are not looking very good right now. Definitely this is time to be cautious, and Nifty has to close about 25,300 at least for the bullish momentum to continue. So probably, the market for the next 1 week may be between 24,800 and 25,650. So that is the broader range. So let us see what is going to happen today. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.